Is your business stagnating? Are you not growing fast enough? Or maybe you were growing very fast and suddenly things are not moving the way that you thought they would. Hey guys, my name is Nikhil. I'm the founder of Bulletproof Teams. And more often than not, I run into business owners, business entrepreneurs who are running 20 million, 30 million, 40 million, $50 million companies. I mean, this is, to be honest, it's true for people running $2 million companies as well, right? And they are not growing, or they were growing really fast, things were working really well, but it just suddenly stopped. And why is that? Why is that? One of the key things that I found is that there is no vision. There was a vision which was revenue based or maybe bottom line based, and then that's about it. But when you hit those goals, then what do you do after that? Because you're hungry to grow, you want to go to the next level, but just being driven by the revenue and by the bottom line is not enough. That's where things start changing. So the vision has to come out of from here onto paper, onto reality, and we have to start doing things. Now it's easier said than done. Vision could be very vague or could be very specific, but understand that your vision is something that you can convert into reality. And more often than not, I'm finding entrepreneurs, business owners, super successful, but not giving that time to their vision. So just remember that whatever you give time to is what you're focusing on, and whatever you're focusing on is what is going to expand in your world, in your business, in your life. So if you choose to be busy with emails, to be busy with meetings, to be busy with WhatsApp, to be busy with phone calls, to be busy with the hands-on stuff in your business, well, that's what you are choosing to focus on. And remember, it's only when you give focused time to your vision, to your grand dream, to understanding what's happening in the business, to understanding what's happening in the market, to actually connect to your marketplace, is when you will start growing from, let's say, a 20 million to a $200 million company. And if you're at a $2 million level, from a 2 million to 20 million and onwards to 200 million, and from 200 million to 2 billion, right? There's no 2000 million, I was going to say that. So be very clear on how you're spending your time. Right? And that brings me to the second thing. One is vision, right? The second thing is that the vision, sometimes the vision is clear. You want to go big, and it's fine. If you have a money dream also and a money goal, money driven vision, it's fine. But you are the only one who has that vision over here. There is no team that's around you that understands your vision, that truly understands your vision, that is a part of that vision, that helps you create that vision, bring it to reality. So the second thing is, there's no team around you, there's no support system around you, your environment is not geared for your vision, for your big dream. And again, it's the same thing. I'll go back to point number one. Your time and focus is on doing things the way you've always done. And remember, if you want to go from 20 million to 200 million, the things that you do on a daily basis have to be different. Because what got you to 20 million will not get you to 200 million, and will definitely not get you to 2 billion. So having that vision unlocked, communicating it with your team, creating that environment in your business where everybody's aligned in that vision. And it just doesn't mean within your business. It means working with experts. It means going out and getting the help that you need. Because as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, and this is true for me as well, I don't know everything. I don't have answers to everything. I'm good at certain things, but I'm not that great at certain things. So the things that I'm not great at, I go out there. I invest my time, money, energy, to learn them. And if I can only do so much, then I'll hire an expert. I'll pay them in exchange for getting that thing going for me. So your different actions will give you the result that you truly seek. Doing the same things over and over again, whatever you've been doing for 10 or 15 or 20 or 30 years, while you may know exactly what you're doing, you might be an expert, but if you want to go more, please understand your business is not growing, it's stagnating because you're not looking at things differently. And that's fine, right? If that's the choice you've made, it's fine. But don't be constantly in a battle that, hey, my business is not growing, and then you're doing the same things and expecting a different result. Okay? So really spend your time, energy, focus on bringing out your vision, co-creating it with your team. And here's the other thing. The third thing that's stopping you, which is a real killer, I feel, is I often see that, I want to create this big company, I want to do this, I want to do that, I have all these goals, but then, I don't have time right now. Or the most common thing is that first let me get this done, and then I will get to getting the help, getting a business coach, get to getting a consultant, getting that team that you really need, investing that time, effort, money into your business, investing back into your own learning and growth. The business will only grow to the extent that this grows, this thing between the 6 to 7 inches between your left ear and your right ear. So as long as this is expanding, your business will expand. It's not the other way around. It's not the products that will help you grow your business. It's not the service that will help you grow your business. It's you. You are the entrepreneur. You are the business owner. It's your vision. So quit saying that first I will do this. The sun will not always shine. The day will not always be clear. Sometimes you will have the time, but you won't have the money. Sometimes you'll have the money, but you won't have the time. We are constantly stuck in this battle. Get out of that. Take action. If you're serious about your goal, you have to show up. You have to show up for your goal. Nobody else will show up. And when you show up, that's when things start happening. The money will come. The time will come. So go out there. Get things done. Take different actions. Don't be stuck in doing the same things over and over again. Right? And hey, connect with me if you want to chat more about your vision, your team, what's stopping you in getting to your goals, your business is stagnating. Just let's chat, let's connect, let's see how can I be of help to you. All right, so take care. Hope you found this video useful. Please like, comment, share. It would really be an honor to get that from you. So stay safe, stay healthy, stay bulletproof. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.